Hello everyone, welcome back to Shilpa's Home 360, and in today's video I'm going to share with you all a very beautiful kurti. This one is a navy blue kurti with a white embroidery work here. As you see, it's like a very soft material here, and for the bottom, the border, they have given this excellent design, very pretty design actually, navy blue and white combination with this 3 buttons here. It's very excellent. I spent around 700 rupees for this and I got it I think 3 years ago, and for the sides they have given this way. It's like if you wear it, like it's very good actually. Navy blue and white combination is very good, and also for 700 rupees this one is an excellent purchase that I have made. And this is the embroidery work, and for hands also they have given both front and back, and look at the design. It's awesome, like white and navy blue combination. Like I mentioned, this is such an elegant kurti here. So this is the overall outfit as you see here, and even for the hands border they have given the same design and same pattern. So this is the overall look, and the pattern is also excellent. Like I mentioned, I bought this just the kurti. I didn't get any dupattas or anything, so stay tuned until the end of my video so I can show you all the matching jewelry and also the dupattas that I have matched for this outfit. And moving on to the close one, so these are the 3 buttons that they have given, which is very elegant, and I like the neck as well. So these are the 3 buttons, and the embroidery work is also excellent, and this is the close look of the embroidery work here. So this is a very pretty design. In fact, I'm planning on getting a sari also with navy blue and white combination. If I do, I'll definitely share with you all. Now let's move on to the dupatta. So even though this is a gray dupatta, but still it matches very well. I'll show you shortly like how it matches. Guess what, like this one is like maybe 17 to 18 years old dupatta. This one is one of my favorites. I always mention, always save your dupatta so you can always mix and match, and this is one of my favorites. I've spent like a decent amount of money during that time, and look at when you put it, that design and everything, even though it's a pure white, it will go very well. Trust me that I've been wearing this and then I got a lot of compliments on this one. And if you have a close look also, that embroidery design here is also, we have the same kind of design for our gray dupatta. So that's one of the reason that I've trying to match with this. Viewers and friends, let me know what you all think about this dupatta for this one. Let me know in comment section. Now let's move on to the second dupatta. It's like I got it from Shilpa Ramam for around 250 to 300 rupees. It looks like a handloom, as you all know, handloom is one of my favorite. That's how I always purchase like this kind of handloom ones. This is a cream color. I didn't have any pure white dupattas, but still look at the way that it's matching perfectly. And also it got this gold and elegant border here, which gives a unique look to the entire dupatta and also the dress here. So that's the reason I have bought this dupatta. And these are the tassels that came with the dupatta actually. So now let's move on to the third one. This one I was trying to match. This is a western wear pants, but look at how well this is matching to this. And if you have to go for instead of traditional, if you want to get ready like a western style, all you need to do is just wear this pants and also this kurti and maybe a jeans jacket or something at the top, so that it will be very elegant. And even the border, the combination here, I was very surprised when I saw it. And even it got the zipper. This opens at ankle length, and it's like a small 2-inch opening, and also this goes very well with a jeans jacket, and this one would be like awesome fit, I should say. And I got this from Amazon actually. I think around 800 to 900 rupees I have spent for this pants. It's a very good deal. And this is the necklace that I trying to match for this. Look at the pendant, even though it's like a sky blue and white pearl design. As you all know, like pearl is one of my favorite, and this one has that unique look. And I used to have purple also, but I gave it as a gift for my friend's daughter. But these are the 2 colors that I got, and I saved this one because I really like the pendant and everything here. And also for this one, if you see it closely, look at for the neck style and then the design that we have perfectly matched. It has this light blue and dark blue combination along with this white pearl is like an apt match for this outfit. And then the earrings that I got for this ones are these kind of earrings, very well matched. Now let's move on to the second ones. These are one of my favorite pearl earrings, and these are like, you know, studs. Studs are in trend now, and as you all know, it looks like it matches both for traditional and western wear, so that's why I love studs. Whenever I see it, I try to purchase them. And moving on to the third earrings, these are the real silver. I got it from GRT. I didn't spend much. Actually, I was surprised. I bought it for 500 rupees in Chennai or Bangalore. I didn't remember, but it's a very good purchase. And this is the bracelet. I was trying to match it with the gray color combination here, and also to the pendant that I have and all that. If you look it closely, it matched perfectly well with this gray dupatta, so that's one of the reason I have matched this. Moving on to the second one, gray and gold always goes very well, and we have this gray dupatta here. Even for western wear, if you are wearing a jacket or something like that, you can easily mix and match this. This is the third one, which I got it like way long back, and it matched perfectly with any of the outfits, especially with the Shilpa Ramam dupatta. It matches very well, so that's the reason I have mix and match this as well. That's all for today, friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please do like, share and subscribe, and for more videos, please do subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. This is Shilpa signing off. Have a good one, everyone. Bye.